Good morning, students. In the previous videos, we discussed the equation of circle, intercept of the circle on axis, and some more topics. Now, in my fourth video, I want to discuss with you about the equation of circle which is passing through the given 3 points in the various methods. In that, the first one is by using the concept of circumcircle. Then we are going to discuss by using the general equation of circle, and then we use the determined method. Let us start with a sum. Find the equation of circle passing through given 3 points 1, 1, 2, minus 1 and 3, 2. See how you can do this. You know that in the straight lines chapter of the first year, this is a triangle and a circle passes through the 3 vertex of this A, B, C. Then this circle is called circumcircle, and a point which is equidistant from A, B, C is called circumcenter. That you know. In this circumcircle, S is called circumcenter, and you know that SA is equal to SB is equal to SC, which is equal to radius of the circle. By using this concept, we have to solve this problem. Let S is equal to x comma y and A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to what is given, that you have to write. Those are 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 1, 3 comma 2. SA is equal to SB. That means squaring of this SA square is equal to SB square. This means the distance between S and A. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to what is SB? That is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. By expansion, this is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 on the left side is equal to, here it is x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 2y plus 1. Right. Then this x square and this x square both sides cancel. Y square and y square get cancelled. Then plus 1 and this plus 1 also get cancelled. The remaining you have to write all one side. That implies minus 2x plus 1 minus 2y. This comes this side. On the left side, minus 4x becomes plus 4x, minus 4, this becomes minus 2y is equal to 0. That is, minus 2x plus 4x is 2x, then minus 2y minus 4y, plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 is equal to 0. Say, this is equation number 1. In the same way, now you take SB is equal to SC. That means SB square is equal to SC square. That is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to SC means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. On the expansion like that, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to, this is x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. Here also you cancel x square on both sides, y square on both sides, plus 4 on both sides. Then the remaining you take on one side. That is minus 4x plus 2y plus 1 minus 6x becomes plus 6x minus 9 plus 4y is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. Say it as the second equation. Now solve equation 1 and 2. You to get the values of x and y. Here 2x and 2x both having the same sign, therefore I have to subtract. The symbols are changed, Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. This is minus 10y. This one is plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 5 is equal to 10y. This implies y is equal to 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. You get the y is equal to 1 by 2. And substitute in equation 1, 2 into x minus 4 into y is 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Next 2x minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 is equal to 0. This gives us x is equal to 5 by 2. What is my xy? Xy is the center of the circle. S is equal to the center of the circle is 5 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Let us say this is h comma k. Right. Next, find the radius of the circle, that may be SA or SB or SC. So SA is distance between the 2 points, these 2 points. So 5 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square under root is equal to, this is 3 by 2 whole square plus this one is minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 10 by 4 under root. That gives us 2 2 ja 2 5 ja root 5 by 2. And from this r square is equal to what? 5 by 2. Right. Now the required circle with the center 5 by 2 comma 1 by 2 and radius under root 5 by 2 is, by using the formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k is center and r is the radius. Minus 5 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to what is r square? That is 5 by 2. That implies x square minus 5x plus 25 by 4 plus y square minus 1y plus 1 by 4. This comes this side, minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Now you write like this, x square minus 5x minus y plus y square plus all the constants are at the same place, 25 plus 1 minus 10, whereas 4 is the LCM, is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the circle passing through the given 3 points 1 1, 2 minus 1 and 3 2 is x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now you are going to learn the second method, that is by using the general equation of circle. Here you have to take the circle equation in the general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The first one is 1 1, the point 1 comma 1 lies on the circle. That means it satisfies this equation, 1 square plus y square means 1 square plus 2g into x is 1 plus 2f into y is 1 plus c is equal to 0. That means 1 plus 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus C is equal to 0. That is 2G plus 2F plus C plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is equation 1. Similarly, the circle passing through 2 comma minus 1. That means 2 comma minus 1 lies on circle. This gives us 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2G into 2 plus 2F into minus 1 plus C is equal to 0. That implies 4G minus 2F plus C plus 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. And 3 comma 2 lies on circle gives us, what is the 3 square? 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2G into 3 is 6G plus 2F into 2 is 4F plus C is equal to 0. This gives us 6G plus 4F plus C plus 13 is equal to 0. This is my third equation. Solve equation 1 and 2. What is the equation 1? That is 2G plus 2F plus C plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation 1 and equation 2 is this one. 4G minus 2F plus C plus 5 is equal to 0. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Then the symbols are changed. Plus C minus C get cancelled. Minus 2G plus 4F minus 3 is equal to 0. Say this is equation number 4. Solve equation 2 and equation 3. That is 4G minus 2F plus C plus 5 is equal to 0. My second equation. 6G plus 4F plus C plus 13 is equal to 0 is my third equation. Here also to get cancel of C, subtract. Plus C minus C get cancelled. Then this one is minus 2G minus 6F minus 8 is equal to 0. Say equation number 5. Now solve the equation 4 and 5. That is minus 2G plus 4F minus 3 is equal to 0. And minus 2G minus 6F minus 8 is equal to 0. Here also subtract. Minus 2G plus 2G get cancelled. This becomes 10F. This one is plus 5 is equal to 0. This gives us F is equal to minus 5 by 10 or F is equal to minus 1 by 2. Substitute in equation 4, that is minus 2G plus 4 into F, F is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 is equal to 0. That is minus 2G, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. This is minus 2 and this one is minus 5 is equal to 0. This gives us G is equal to minus 5 by 2. And then you find the value of C. For that purpose, I substitute in equation 1. Equation 1. To find the value of C, I use the equation 1. That is 2G plus 2F plus C plus 2 is equal to 0. that is 2 into G is minus 5 by 2 plus 2 into F is minus 1 by 2 plus C plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6 and plus 2 is minus 4. So C minus 4 is equal to 0. This gives us C is equal to 4. After getting the values of G, F and C, you can use the general equation 1. What is that? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then we get the required circle equation. That is x square plus y square plus 2j is minus 5x plus 2f is minus 1. So minus 1y plus c is 4 is equal to 0. So this method also you get the same. Another shortcut method for the above problem. First of all, you find the center of the circle. When the circle passing through A, B, C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, the center gives us delta 1 by 2 delta, delta 2 by 2 delta, that is circumcenter S. Whereas delta is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and you write 1, 1, 1. Find the determinant, that is gives us the delta. And delta 1 is write y1, 1, y2, 1, y3, 1 as it is. And the first column you write x1 square, the square of this one and the square of this one. Sum x1 square plus y1 square, x2 square plus y2 square, x3 square plus y3 square. For delta 2, in the second column you write the sum of the squares x1 square plus y1 square, x2 square plus y2 square, x3 square plus y3 square as the column 2, and x1, x2, x3 my first column, 1, 1, 1 is the third column. By using this you get the center of the circle and radius r is equal to SA. Then you use in the first method. Look here. There is another problem. Find the equation of circle passing through the points 2, 3 and minus 4, 1 and whose center lies on the line 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. In the previous problem, he given that 3 points on the circle. Then you find the equation of circle by solving the equations 3 unknown and then find the G, F and C. Substitute in the general equation, you get the answer. But what you have to do in this case? Look here. Let the equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. You know that this is the general equation of the circle. What he given? At the first, he given that 2, 3 lies on the circle. It passing through the 2, 3 means 2, 3 lies on the circle. That is, you have to substitute 2 in place of x and 3 in place of y. This becomes 2 square plus 3 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into 3 plus c is equal to 0. That is nothing but 4g plus 6f plus c plus this is 4 and this one is 9. 4 plus 9 is how much? 13 is equal to 0. This is my first equation. Then now there is another point given. Minus 4 comma 1 lies on the circle. That means minus 4 whole square plus 1 square plus 2g into x is minus 4 plus 2f into y is 1 plus c is equal to 0. This implies minus 8g plus 2f plus c plus 16 plus 1 is 17 is equal to 0. This is my second equation. And also there is given the third thing, that is center lies on the line 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. What is our center of this circle? That you know, minus g comma minus f is our center, right? He given that center minus g comma minus f lies on the line 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. That gives us 2 into, what is x here? Minus g plus, what is my y? Y is minus f minus 1 is equal to 0. That is minus 2g minus f minus 1 is equal to 0. Or you write 2g plus f plus 1 is equal to 0. This is my third equation. Then here how many equations you got? 1, 2, 3. How many unknown things are here? F, G and C. Those values you can find by solving these equations. Okay. First, I solve that equation 1 and equation 2. That is 1 minus 2. Okay, what you get? 1 minus 2. 4g, this becomes minus minus plus 4g plus 8g is 12g. And then 6f, this is plus becomes minus 2f. 6f minus 2f is 4f. Plus c, this becomes minus c. Plus c minus c is 0. Then plus 13, this becomes minus 17. Plus 13 minus 17 is minus 4 is equal to 0. Here you take 4 as common. This you can write, divide with 4, what you get? 4 3 ja, 3g plus 4 1 ja plus f minus 4 1 ja 4 is equal to 0. This is, I say that, fourth equation. Now see here. After this, I want to do in third and fourth. There is no C, only two variables are there, G and F. So solve equation 3 and 4. Here you have the minus F and here plus F. That's why I am adding. That is the equation 3 plus equation 4 will gives us, then minus f and this plus f get cancelled. 3g minus 2g is g. Minus 1 and minus 1 you get minus 2 is equal to 0. This gives us g is equal to 2. This is g is equal to 2. Then you substitute in the equation 3 or equation 4, you get the value of f. Now I want to substitute g value, g is equal to 2 in equation 4. Then 3 into g means 2 plus f minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 6 plus f minus 1 is equal to 0. 5 plus f is equal to 0. This gives us f is equal to minus 5. And then what is the remaining thing? The remaining thing is you want to find the c value. Right. Substitute in equation 2. What is equation 2? My equation 2 is minus, substitute the values g is equal to 2 and f is equal to minus 5 in equation 2. Or you can put in equation 1 also. What is my equation 2? See once again. The equation 2 is minus 8g plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. In this, I put the value g is equal to 2 and f is equal to minus 5 and then find the value of c. So minus 8 into g is 2 plus 2 into f is minus 5 plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. This gives us 8 to the 16, 2 5 are 10, minus 10 plus minus minus plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. This is a minus 26. This is a plus 17. 17 minus 26 is minus 9. So c minus 9 is equal to 0. This gives us the value c is equal to 9. All the values we got, g value, f value and c value. Right? Now go to the general equation, then you get the answer. Therefore, required circle equation is what it is: x square plus y square plus 2gx, 2 to the 4, 4x plus 2fy, 2 5 are 10 minus 10y plus c, that is 9 is equal to 0. This is the solution. Okay. Now I am going to give you some problems as your work. Please do that and you test your knowledge. Okay, thank you.